Hi, I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail. Use PixArt app. Select PixArt app on your mobile phone. Tap the plus button. And then choose a picture that you want to edit. Change the size first. Select fit, ratio. Select YouTube. Press add photo. Choose a photo that you want to add. And then select the cutout option. Select person to highlight the photo. Save, and then you can move the photo and you can choose where you want to place it. Select the border to add a design. After editing, save it, and then go to YouTube Studio app on your mobile phone. Okay, and then select YouTube Studio app. Select videos option. Press the pencil sign to change the thumbnail, and then save. And that's it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.